ebebo agudie mu nsem ana dane dano yedi eho enkomo na de eba ene ewo show no so no esewani ense o ka chedi ne Michael Asaibodu ana ende medi chiame ewo dwumedi ho emre no so pe obeti Benjamin Ekuokun Ricardo Varus in Kana face Bishop Atapoku enso ba be kan ho ma yedi dwumedi no kama ma bibia enso etimi akoso to ate aseda kase enko enfama production team the technical crew headed by Shadrack Omoso Boa ema infoni ni bibia ebekoso ewonten time fidie ne so no eno so betimi akoso to ate kama ama bibia etumi akoye na enne yebedi komo afa the Black Queens of Ghana omo akwa no na kopon ya adomo china womone omo Zambia colleagues na Asia game no ebaso ewo the Accra Sports Stadium na developments lead up to the game no na chese ehunsem bebre na CCA de betimi aka esine pese pomana kwa akoto bebia wo seto ama enijie enso aba na se nchire mu ane se Black Queen sika no ade a omonsa aka yetua sika no ede ama players a wo mo ebo 3 rounds of qualifiers at the Ghana. Into omo bo miensani inano omonya a check of $7,500. Omo bo mienu enya eye 5,000. Diobo bako enso enya 2,500. But the betimi di ensesu ye boa kane se CCA die enya dia abaino at the Black Queens team no eka as regards bonuses bia into way ni gisema ba other developments in camp no ye ne wo ebeche na afes ya hwese na nsehye no SOS tie na Black Queens de ne akwa akogu ba akoso wo ho wo de tamekutu emre ne so a metie no so ho de akyerɛw ye de team ba akoso ka national teams na manage no ye de ba akoso ka anti si etua Black Queens ne de na e wo se no so ye hwɛ na ye di omusika ne so ho dwuma because enche bosomi edi anim match bosomi no ne da etoso enwotwe na omoso omo wakono omo gina Ghana na emu asi akan ewo the 13th Africa Games nti ehon popia na yebehwe na yede eno so ede abrel yebekọ mediama asoye mediama ebo ewo Africa nyankopon ya ademo china wo mo ye ade a BNC da in a very long time ni na ne se alali ebebobo enso ewo Ghana asase so the last time see no ekikako over 20 years now alali aba omoni mediama eba besi akan ewo Kumasi Babayawa Sports Stadium development anasa in the lead up to the game the akoso no ye betwa homfoni ne so de akyerɛw na ye ne nso edi match no enso eho enkomo na ye bia de akato no ye de beka ho so de ama hyene nso House of Folk ana the Ghana Premier League enso ehya ase na wotwe ewie ye toaso anesa ye koje ya home kakra ni nyina ne se na ye kwa akobo the Africa Cup of Nations yabo AFCON ewie Ghana League no ewo se toaso nti abrewa yipoma okwemu eno so betimi atoaso nti ye the details ni bibia akem enso edebebro basha ne so dwumedie no ye di ne dada ewo eye Sompa kasafidie so a na eye 21st clinic o madaroma ana dane ye tenase 3 to 4 ye de eye sankomo we enso edebro na 21st clinic se men kan fanche se yare bia osa yare bia edu nya o de bana so ya obeti ne te edi amao na nipa bia no o ade a wo ya eye danso sanso na ayaresa bia dodo no omoso wo adepoti omo ya edanso 21st clinic de no yare efe ne se sciatica anende wadi mu akoditini wom se wo boa no watu ase e de amagana for so ho atomo na sciatica no intini bia efri nipa wosisi echi ho esane ade afa oto ase na ede akwa akosi wonan ase na sa intini no eka ne ho na edi unya minia wontumi ntinase ugina ho so a engina na wontumi mfendi udwuma yese wodi ene se omo ka ehyen eye driver for na womo etwa ado ni na ne se sciatica no edi na de bayare ne de eya na si ebetu ase ne de eya so ye ba ko pena me kan for dia ma eno 21st clinic omo no maboa ema ende ye tu sciatica se na se na medi kan ne 21st clinic edi yare bia hodwuma ento ko maso ya womo ewo eye laboratory services a womo best can ni pedua no na omahu yade kura eye ansakra no mahwe no masanso afa no aduro na nipa ye dada nkita hodie ene adwuma ye nti aya na ya bre titu omo tena ka mu ekọ edeba omo tonioma ewo dwom ni na ne se Unipedia no oyemre kakra ubehia massage na 21st clinic a special massage a machine treatment enti or the machine no ebe miemia oni pedua no ama wo ho esisi wo ho so omposo besisi wo mposo na fe so oso wade ho enti 21st clinic there me kamfo e de ama location no enam se adwuma no eso eninti ye obeye 15 branches e wo Ghana ha na ye branch kese na ankasa de Kumase ehwia overseas junction ane ye wo ye ben Alpha Radio oboase wonsa ebeka ye e wo council quarters eno e wo court junction or Accra so e Dome market ana fe ye wo Sunyane ye wo Nkranza ye wo Techiman wonsa ebeka 21st clinic bra na oni ye nyansa wo so na hye ne so se yare bi edi unya no ye beboa na yetime to ase obetimi afre doctor e wa homa yi so 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 and I say 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 and no 21st clinic one dance here and so na me di and so e dia trail na ye kan we are na ye call Mixo ene Meza 5G ensa abadwama so adodo na age atum se ensa we no ebusuani yina atumi nom eno Mixo fruit drink. Mixo fruit drink no it comes in different flavors. Ye wo mango de, ye wo multi fruit de. Wo nom no na ensa no refresh your body no. Enya de esichire edos wom enti oyo bia o diabetes na wusuro se ensa ye de ba me konom no na anhwa akoha me a me pa che obetimi ano Mixo fruit drink. Fruit ane ye de aye enti eboa esiesi oni pedua so kama ama bibia atimi koye panyi to menom akoda to menom onyem a wotimi nom onyem so a wotimi nom ne na se Mixo fruit drink eno na ye kamfo enti mama ne dada montobi emfangu fie eye na wotwe wie ye weekend no ahoho ba ensa mon fan serve omo Mixo fruit drink mo ofie mo hwe movie ebia Sunday nyumbre bi ana Saturday nyumbre bi a eno so Mixo fruit drink ana wo se mo serve enkoda na iko school Mixo ni bi she fridge mi fa she na bag mu na onfanko school ono mo pe ne namfo so bedi ho adanse mo so aka che o ma wo fo mo ma to bi e dia mo eno Mixo fruit drink na ene ne nua ne nam baako ni Mixo we ne Mixa 5G Mixa 5G no G ni gina ho emma enuane anase nyankopon abode a ehye ni pedue ne mokena no enum ane ye de afra ye de Mixa 5G ensen baako guarana no boa na nipa se owre free ade ntemo a etimi ama o memory no aye sharp boa improve o retentive memory ntu sua ade a owre free ye nka asem mfa nkyerɛw ama beye sima mienu anamien sentem no na owre free guarana no ebedi ho dwuma e de ama o wo grapes any grapefruit emu de grape no ete ensane mu ntu wonom pe eto wanum pe ete wanum ama bibia so ekokama jensen wo mu a ema wa hoden ana green tea no so ema wo sisi ho so a wo ya alert e de dwumadie bia wo de di ema bibi boni bia enso ento enti Mixa 5G ne de mu a moye dwumaden school for mu a motete offices banks ahodo ni na no Mixa 5G na wonnom for mental alertness for sharpness and also for energy boa manioma akonkan ope insane doso pro no atu na wo so aton as a business opportunity a akonya no ewo ho obese oton duduom so kogufie na wankasa obo no baako a eno so akonya no wo ho oton no ankrankra enso de akofie na oni ebusuan mache anoma eno so akonya no wo ho ni na se ofre manager Daniel ono ewo 21st clinic oben ehwia overseas ho na wonsa be ka no ho Bikai supermarket so wonsa ebeka Mixa 5G and Mixo drink bi na also wetimi ato na Bikai supermarket okwa os open sister sewa ono ebehwema bebi akọ kan edi ama owo abawa post office eno ye anomanje na fe mama Esther enso adom ene asomdwe junction eno after Baptist University eno ebu akwa PNC Ventures enso ensen ebi ewo honom eno anomanje taxi station opposite ena onsa ebeka no ana afe so na Sachi Enterprise ho enso okwa asafo abinchi opposite VIP car park no obenya ensani bi na oso wetimi ato nemom opese ofre ene empenifo di ho nkomo eye nhyehyeye a eno so yebetimi aye na ye deliver ansa no enso ede ama number obefre no 0246 270 221 0246 270 221 and I say 0558 10 6348 0558 106348 eno a mixer 5G and a mizo a fruit drink eno and a make for and so ediama ye ransom no na yendi enkomo kakra shane so the Black Queens of Ghana ewa akono a nyankopon ya adomo a ochina efiada omo ebo ewo Accra Sports Stadium a game a dodo na nani wo so ni na ne se the senior national women's team the Black Queens no omo press omo benya a ticket the akọ Olympic Games 2024 baso ewo Paris France abrochimemu na since 2004 Ghana national team being who are qualify akobo a Olympic Games football event nibida and we know about the first time since 2004 the Black Queens no etimi prevail over 2 legs against a Zambia counterpart na Zambia for no ewo meimu na no na 48 hours ni ana sika semwa na enkoye mfama Black Queens no eno so ebedi adencheche na ese ka ho asem sa ni na ne se Black Queens na bobo matches bia from September de ba last year edebe remi ye de omoka $7,500 per player. A sika na wasi etia edemomo na eye players reported to camp na mpenifo enka hohwe na eno no edebufuo ya odie ana wetimi wa kamekakra back camp na no mpenifo esore waka ekeka omo ho a CCA de eye ministry no wama pro mo ntume mo pro mu no checks nko a na hwe gu form checks no wama fa wama cheche de ama players ne se monye musika enti CCA de metimi de mensesi mebo akane pain se eyadea ministry no etua Black Queens omusika ne nyina enso ede amomo a yende omoka bion enti CCA okọ camp ho a eye nigye serie na se player no ombisa na sem ana wunyi eye jokes ana comedy crunch na no amen sene de siso ni nyina ne se sika etimi ya de nyina na de yesese beye ene se Ghana enso be qualify enti CCA de Black Queens omonsa ka omusika ende ometo aso ma ye training me so say ende training ne de be 200% wo mo be ku omo ho pa wo de kone ko check Black Queens omo Twitter ana fe TikTok handle no obehu senior girls no mbesi aye omonyuma die no sikaba me kame de chiro nyoma bebre so tumi si ento omaje omusika na ahoboa ne gusu ebekoso na enne Zambia for no so beboabo omo ho asisi omo ho na head of Zambia for the preparations no ana Zambia players no enso ato omanum tuo akasa ediafa game a nyakopon yard mo china omo ene the Black Queens eba bebody edi kan ye betie Zambia omo national team captain ye friend Barbara Banda wakasa ediafa endra sa development a free Zambia memu bai ne se player ba kwa nanko no ka team a ye de eba this particular game yimu na chese ono ka ho bi ba yare enti wentimi entu kwan na mbagana ana omote se waka baby enti Norin Betani ne honsem ana Barbara Banda oka se affected camp saying na send on befaswa on besi a prepare for the game against Ghana.
And may I so rest in peace. Being a captain is very hard and it's very difficult to convince each and everyone, but we are trying by all means together to put ourselves together. We know it has happened and we just are hoping it won't affect our game, and we have a reason why we are here and we have a task ahead of us. We know it's a very big game, so we have to concentrate and win the game. I don't know what stakes, and may I sorry.
We know a Barbara Banda captain for Zambia. Omo emba team no one fans wo osi ende omo be pie mu Ghana ha no na se weda ne mu ahyepa, but omo be boa na omo siesi omo de wo makoye sa asrafo wo mo dia ne se omo wa akono omo be di eye akan ama bibia so etimi akonkan dia omo nti Barbara Banda akasa e afa game no.
Wow, it's hot, but we are trying by all means to adapt to the weather. And you know, football is always like this. You find different weather, so we'll try by all means to adjust and get updated with the weather. I think it will be a very
Barbara Banda, captain for Zambia, one more national team. No, na and so another player as wakasa Rachel Kunandanji one also a striker at the Zambia for no. Now Rachel in Semo Kano ni na say wama ready for Ghana game na wamo airpim subia so be qualify at the Akko Olympic Games
This is more important to us, not just us, but to the entire nation. The Ghana game will be different because a lot of Ghana players, they are professional just like us, and they have a lot of good players, and it won't be an easy game, but we are ready to face them, and we are ready to do our level best. This is more important to us.
And and see Rachel Kunandanji, why a player. And so at the Zambia, one more Emba team now, also Omaya Krado said there was some way biano, or Mobeshe no my Abwa ama Zambia team no, and so etimi a qualify. Na me catch or say Black Queens ene or Monsense no, CCA dear, one more enyo musika. But a man team back so dear, Nensanka Nisika, a Black Princesses Honsem, and a Meka de Achel. One more ball qualifiers, or ma qualify Echo under 20 FIFA Women's World Cup, and no Ebe Baswo Colombia. Now qualification process, matches any rounds or more qualifying in, and I never see a twist card momo. Once a Black Queens need no money, say each round, among Sabeka $2,500. Now, dear ya our princesses yenum say sika kra de be ma omkro nim ne dodo anase sika ne bo say $5,000 say $2,000 omunim de omunim man say e wose e mo qualification bonus and to coach Steve Basigi team no akaso monso ensa ebe komo dia mesre se dodo na said yesi yema Black Queens no yen kambom ne ensa so nyesa enso enfambo na Black Princesses no so omonsa enko musika omokra de omawini wafu under 20 emba tournament no ache se wo ma bo mo homoden pa enti omo bo mo homoden no mesan so agina Ghana na mosi akan e wo the 13th Olympic Games and also e wo so omhwe na omutimi siesie nyoma ema bia konkan emrepam ye beko ahoma no so na ye ne kasamafo enso the Ghana Football Association Harry Asante Twum edin komo edi afa this development ho ne wo se na hyehyɛ no enso esi etie enti we aye news from the camp of a Black Queens yemfree on yenko club news kakra mediama prepare for the CAF Champions League nyakopon ya remochina omone Al Ahly of Egypt and Asia na game no Airbus will Kumase Baba Yara Sports Stadium na enhyehyɛ no say ne etie na ahead of game no e was say mediama for no so ne nsɛmtwerɛ for share na ɔmonsɛm ɔmo preparations ɔmo de tudwa ɛmo bia enso ya we na no ana coach Evans Augustine Adote say the onyo no head coach ɔno act as a technical director for the club na okopia sie na odin komo at the far game no de di kan Evans Adote say mediama de ne nhyehyɛ ni na ne plans ni na ne say the air course outside the pitch in the focus in here the air course go pramano so and the focus so into china game ni there where we are tell so say mediama ebetimi edinkunim yankotie
focus is on the field of play. We are ready for tomorrow. This is the date scheduled for the game. We are ready for tomorrow. Should not be calm, it's not the date, fine, we'll go to the situation. But all that I know is we are doing at least all time tomorrow. We are not going to underrate the opposition. We want to make sure that this the 3 point is very important for me.
No Augustine Evans Adote or no head coach technical director former head coach Edema Mediama Sporting Club na Jonathan so no ka Mediama team hu a na say Africa campaign na no na wo boa ema modern mono koso e wa go pramano so no ana Jonathan so wa CCA de obo the ball ewe Libya Edema Al Nazar Benghazi na CCA wa kwaya foreign play na coach Evans Adote de na mobeye Evans Adote akasa area for the absence of Jonathan Soa and how Mediama plans to overcome the absence no.
Soa is going to be part of the team, and I told you the new coach has taken over. He knows how the situation looks like. As I speak, this has been a discussion we've been going through, and Nebo is sure that without Soa, somebody is there, or we have other 2-3 attackers to maybe certain issues of Soa. Let's hope tomorrow William come as fitness. That is my motive for the game tomorrow.
No Augustine Evans Adote or no technical director for Mediama Sporting Club. Now your ticket now watching game now Basono say na ticket prices in the we the one will form 10 Ghana cedis. Game no air shares here 4 p.m. Ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Enti 10 Ghana cedis, 20 Ghana cedis and 100 Ghana cedis. Into way there VIP no opeso urawa 100 Ghana cedis cool one and the other stands no 10 Ghana cedis and 20 Ghana cedis we no mediama and ejina Ghana na muntia fa ne say mini Ghana versus Egypt akensie ana no so ye kwa akobo nti ebesere se dodo na no bedi akire na omaboa ama mediama enya supporter esefata na omotimi abo akonkoden atimi edinkunim over Alali na omoso ede boosti omo qualification chances group stage na omodin kind ball first leg no ewo Cairo na nti we second round no omo bono ewo Kumasi na omo ne CR Belouizdad younger and they are young Africans and they were the same group. Mediama Rinia ebeboa amanioma akonkan and so edi amomo Alali team na ba bedru na omo bedru ye no so omadwedwe omo ho kama womo be show omo press conference ase me no ka se ye bi kra nyoma gugu akwemu omo ya sha ase anesa na oma training no from 4 to 5 p.m. 15 minutes open to the media and from 4 p.m. they go see 4:15 media no betimi akohwe Alali training ni bi na omo hu se ne omo so omo hyehye esiatie omo wie pe omo pam obi free stadium omo pam omo a na Alali a closed door training session na omoso e dey prepare for game no omo wie pe na mediama enso aba some from 5 to 6:15 omo be training from 5:15 na omo be pam media no media na betimi cover the first 15 minutes na omo we share no said e esi etie yenko na yenko din komo enche be connect our phone lines ne so na ye ne Henry edin komo but in the meantime yenko na ye ne Bishop enso entwetwe komo kakra and for development aba na aba abetodwa and Bishop bibi abako Nyame adom bibia come on minim Black Queens development no wa peke bibia pa oni ebe check akra
no but the say choose kanama Black Queens say che bibia or Ghana say our football is a failed football system yeah the Black Queens car yeah the Black Princess car yeah the Black Meteors car yeah the Chant team car
yeah
we owe literally everybody sedenti na players yeah more Black Queens. Yeah, sure. Say, Obi or Black Princess are Onimboa. That person will make the transition to Black Queens.
Yeah.
There's a culture of Ekade or Then I just say next time, Oni know about Black Queens.
Nyoma beti
them they are bobo.
Mebe so obe home so kakra edi ama na yenko ahomane so yene Henry Asante Chum enso endi enkomo ni ina no ejina the same developments here you can on Ghana football. Enti yehwe na yene no ending komo. Henry, good afternoon. Harry, so good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Michael.
Nyame adom na also okay. So Harry Asante Chuma kasa edema the Ghana Football Association. Na Harry ebesa confirm the maye e the free ho ye the enya reports na anesa. Say Black Queen sika asem na kwesi say.
Actually akasa ministry no atia. One of the issues now trend for the past 2-3 days, and from my checks, and ministry, so accountant, hotel, the DMs, and I cross check a list of
Sompa FM
and officials, and a ministry more assurance by 1 p.m. No. Every monka as he will come and make the payment, and just around that time, and a choir this year, the winning bonus, Amma and Mayana. A little over 2 weeks ago, you follow up, and then last week you follow up, and the assurance they gave us was that.
Hello, Harry. Mr. I think minya challenges with network no. Ma me Samsung fail because so kasa no wo form kra. Why, Mr. Okay. All right. Enti yehwe ne try to connect once again with Henry Asante Chum na ye hu se na hihye no. Esiete Bishop to aso from.
So like the man wake up from 2023. We are in 2024. And now no pa many Dr. Osman accountant Ministry of Youth and Sports din komo. And I'm bisa ne say no omunni database bia na vouchers bia HSL look ema we ye de omoka enyen right see omoko akwakobo the first qualifier na ministry rep account officer Nancy Okamu second game ɔka third game ɔka ɔmo nti ɔmo kɔbaeɛ no obi ahu sɛ ɔmo abɔ wɔ awie deɛ mesere kra ne sɛ yɛsɛ yɛtua ɔmo pɛ deɛ so aka ho.
Harry Asansoaba until the Yankone Hombra. Hello, Harry. Welcome once again. Now, Wanugu Komoswa Woody, but now your technical challenges, Kakraba. I think the CCA there, Otimenka, Miss Metonka, and me patch out to Asumai.
And upon obey no watch echo no crew brimu and per shoulder echo girls no hotel a day or more per diem echo ma. Just as it is done every time our national team will camp, they will stay for about 2, 3, 4 days. Now, if a ministry list, any FA list, or more a check it across check here with BBI, okay, then the purse order goes ahead to pay the per diem. Into the command, and more assurance based on ENRA meeting a minister, and deputy minister, and president, any team no koye, almost assurance. Bobe don't qua or ever back no more bonuses no abrel. As we speak, yes, that assurance na ministry no at the Mariano we're doing the bushes to prepare at the Omosicano Acomao.
Okay. And what's the reaction from the camp of the Black Queens after this development?
Oh, sorry. Just a few minutes ago, now, I started a technical meeting. I have pre-match technical meeting, and from everyone associated with the team, spirit. I was really that is not to say in Chelsea canoa anka extra match but it does a lot of things to the physical and psychological being of all the players. No, it urges them to go all out and fight for the next round of the qualifiers. Indeed, the mechanism will be asked to say, I mean, to some extent. I mean, it is for and I'll be the gym say or Kebi. Especially when they have worked for it and they deserve it. And to be or can be or put you out any information. Eventually, the monies have been paid, and we just have to move on.
Now, maybe to clarify, wait, mame. Players in Nkwana, the technical staff, and so and Sakomodia.
Everyone associated with the team.
Okay. Now, Obibe Bisao. Black Queens and Sakomodia, there are issues with the Black Princesses, so say almost yeah the bonus can way. So Sompa Sankomono a bit PA by Endra during interaction with the leadership of the sports ministry and then that of the GFA. Omudi Black Queens in Komowie no, where other teams are diomoka as regards bonuses no, omo komo ensu PA mu bi mo maka ho bibiana.
At the moment, aside Black Queens, the only team omo ede omo kana musika ewo a team Black Princesses because they were recently involved in the FIFA World Cup qualifier. Yeah. Or Senegal Kumasia or the qualifier. But we have been engaging the ministry all this while. As we speak, the last time we had any ministry meeting was on the Princess and the satellites. Since can say from next month, actually next week, there was a Ombo marketem, a manotitsu, Ombo marketem, Echo Cape Coast. Now, a man also a free prom, a bank crime. Because the African Games no better here from the 8th of next month. Until by next week, the girls have to be in Cape Coast, the boys have to be in Accra. And we have held series of meetings with the ministry, including Omo Sikasemni, Omo Baby Ombe campaign, and all the conditions that will make their participation convenient. And the BBI yes, it is not as if that we have always been pushing the ministry to clear all outstanding debt. But Oko ministry, now Omukacha say, ABI train Tikadi, it will take some time. 77 periods. You cannot do much but to respect the word of the minister, chief director, chief accountant, and hope that Omo Ashebono on Bediso. And that has always been the case until say we clear Queen's Diana. Princess, and they start like so Diana, Nikusua, you 2 more, and I want to believe that and quiet is setting we but you get there on time. And I better or fine nobody African game.
Okay. Well, yemfa ebo ba kunkum no mamie no yenya we de football hon command ye bedi na in the aftermath say ye free mu Africa Cup of Nations ene ensema abobaba no Ghana for no dodo na no e de ebufuo enso de akasa pass ye football no se na nyoma sie kono omani enje ho ene clearly di up ama some well-meaning Ghanaians be aye demonstration the tia stakeholders of the game titru mu amon running football any afa aban no minima de money save Ghana football movement in 24 enyankitahudie now what's the latest in sa correspondence na across between the two parties, the GFA and then the conveners?
Thank you, Michael. First of all, before I may answer your question, let me say Ghana football does not belong to Ketokreku, Prosper Harris Senado, Dr. Andy Abbey. Me I know can say Ghana football existed before I was born. And Ochnebi major wako amechino we have a trust. And the industry has many stakeholders, including who have been educating. Some years ago, I was occupying your seat, asking questions, and they will be some questions. The tables can turn at any point in time. Nobody has taken an entrenched position not to listen to the other side or not to respect other views, because they are crouching from Ebu. And so every well-meaning Ghanaian who got angry, who became infuriated as a result of FINA free AFCON, Odi said Nibubefu, Odi said Nakoma Bekoso, because that is not where we belong. We belong to the elite. We have won it before. We have seen it before. We have been competitive before. Into if Oko back-to-back AFCON tournaments. Now Ufimu group stager. The people of Ghana have every right to vent. And as an association or as leaders of the industry, there will be a problem. Back to your question. Yes, the conveners of the Save Ghana Football, a petition officially, petition, on the grounds, petition because General Secretary None Odo Safoko Homa, Etoto Nema, Ebu Bo Homo, and a Bisuzo Ru Homo, into a Namswa Homo Friho. Until I think later in the day, and Yinya information say eventually, and as a finally, almost submit the petition. The president instructed the General Secretary to officially respond to the petition and take steps and arrange a meeting between INE, the conveners. Yes, the letter was sent. We did a follow-up call. We wanted to meet them yesterday. Unfortunately, it did not happen. However, requester Omumeki and say Omunyayanka Insia and Ne Anasochna. Unfortunately, and then you near the jail because 2 of our clubs are engaged in African football this weekend. Midiama Eboa, GFA virtually does everything for the club. Dreams Eboa, GFA does virtually everything for the club. Protocol arrangement, arrival of away team, arrival of referees, then we hand over to the club. We are not seeing China. The Black Queens are in action tomorrow. And ye ni ewo hopa, aside and run, and then it's not very difficult. we need to look at another date. Almost say, when it will be convenient for them. No more a proud notice. We'll also look at our schedule and confirm or otherwise. James
Okay, but with other dates in the band there, you are willing to meet them. I think that willingness in the world was a
of course. There is that willingness, open-mindedness to meet them. And unfortunately, and run and capacity is home. So and then now available. Okay. But we will always keep our communication channels open until we arrive on a fair decision. All right.
Now, the other chat to the Ghana Premier League and then the respective leagues and also Ekoso Ghana. A resume after the break. Nina say ye breaky for AFCON near Dianisa. Is the FA ready for the start and I said the restart of the Ghana Premier League and other leagues? Nanshebe Namaya to ensure say one, it will be incident free, two, entertainment need the free football money in Sabeka.
Well, there was one perennial challenge maybe a confronting which has to do with infrastructure. But we are not to change. I think that from the administrative part, we have put in a lot. And I personally engaged the referees committee and the referees manager finding out what has been going on in terms of preparedness of our officials for the second round. Of course, almost say there was also mid-season training, Some of the referees couldn't make it. The possible say you're passing referee for the season. Now a failure test mid-season. There was a unity free listing. And there have been some casualties. And because I'm passing both the written and the physical examination, no mid-season, into me make it a list for the second round. It's one of the measures I yet taking in order to get the best officiating as possible. So I reduce or minimize the controversies in our league. And one arm of challenges, infrastructure, and then, of course, the involvement of the clubs in determining the quality of matches now on the pitch, because you can do everything if officiating any game nankasa in fair, nobody will pay to come and watch. And you try as much as possible. Say you be engage clubs now. In terms of coverage, we want to put the best games on TV. There have been several meetings with broadcast holder, Star Times, in terms of coverage. Shortfalls are share. I hope there will be an improvement in the second round. And the clubs will also collaborate for us to project the game to the rest of the public in a very good light. Okay. Beginning weekend anyway.
Okay, all right, Henry Marty. So in the absence of any other development, na ya koswa monitor development. Bibi also chi adwenswa ya beba waswe seneda ne da wo yema no. Bye.
Welcome, das.
Okay. All right. Enti eno Henry Asante Twum ana ye na akotwetwe nkomo on development on Ghana football. Akasa dia fa Black Queens ne ho save the Ghana football demonstration ne so ekoso ene ho development wakasa dia fa, and then the restart of the Ghana League, still the Ghana Premier League, so wakasa dia fa. Na Bishop Anugu asem so a ka Bishop to asoma me.
Good. Enti so be fa national team system num Black Maidens, Black Princess, Black Queens. De bia edoka. Look, nipa bakona na onyini name. The problem is that each passing moment, every Black Maidens, Echo Princess, no, ubunu kwasia na nenite, udini free Black Princess, ubunu kwasia, oba Black Queens na kuma no, I say, I had it. You get the point.
And asanso maneniate. Exactly.
It's only a cracko baby. Now I catch and say, you do our bejo home. We in your manego. This football system we are running is a failed system. You do see a bit to escano. You bought pairs holder din. Yambo Management Committee member Biedi, Yambo Ghana Football Association D. So clearly it tells us you were general manager in charge of the female national teams. And bring through one administrative work, or contacting a technical head, which is the coach. So when there's constant engagement. It takes away that odd management committee system and a nipenum. It do see a scan and I hear scan. What was the Look, clearly in Central for more Kruma, sorry, will be outdoor football, Black Queens. This is the problem. This is it.
And even processing documents, and
for look into the system, it's an outdated, failed system used to. I won't say.
I won't be say a review.
Any review,
young cancer.
It's not important.
Management committee, no.
For any to form. Or club. Untia or players salary. Or the omoka salary. Or the omoka winning bonuses. Bavara says Bernabe National Under 23 Management Committee member. So I will play Anushano or Black Stars there. I mean, come on.
Minyanka, I don't know the initial concept and the rationale behind CAT management committees, you know. Now, yade can't all kind of say it has become a outmoded. I was here,
What's your Kujofiano? You see, Kujofiano had the
national team
manager for Black Starlets and obey Black Stars. Now, it's happening for a sabreno. Yo, abem penny for na aban nipa mienu. Bakoba ebeye GFA president. Na bakwa the head of the then executive council. Inti ye koko penny pebia ombe lobby aban. I mean, it was the system then. E.T. Mensah, the late Alhaji Jaula, Nana Butler, Eba Adikoka. Inti samuhwe ni diya. 1999 ya under 20 no Adikoka nana management committee chairman. No, a vice chairman of the Ghana Football Association. It's a practice that has been there. Alhaji Bimbo, Alhaji Mekano, no Black Stars. Ofri ono poko free by no was the team manager. The team manager's role is more about but so general manager for Black Stars or any pabako. Black Stars be too kind. Look. You liaise with the national team's coordinator. Sani Pana are supposed to provide managerial oversight. Let me tell you guys this. You call Morocco no. Now any accreditation.
As management committee.
Good into no park national say bibi or I mean, how are you going to liaise with them? South tournament, so Achi was most always on the pitch.
Okay.
With Alex Asante, Ghana Kobo or Tangiano. Into the CBB Chiwa.
What happens?
Look, inti omojuma nankasa eden ombeko camp. No matter say nyoma e digugu akwemu no bibia ye okay, they are not providing. 2, omere say play BND card ene nyame adaroma. Where system ayedebo competitions na wa wuntimi mbobi no eba. Even with management committees, you're feeling under 17 member, you're feeling under 17 ma because you sue over 8 players.
So there are certain managerial flaws.
Minister, Akotana, GFA Congress, I say players should be patriotic and forget about the money issue. It was because Black Meteors Kache or Tangier say I'm for his Omusika Momo. So players no, you call Chan. It was a similar situation. And then you say can't deal with 2016 na Black Queens or management committee. Na NDC are buying also. Na Kwesinya teaching GFA president. 2023-24 Black Queens Bobo NPP aba Ketokre kwaba Kwesinya teaching ni ho NDC ni ho Nilante ni ho Mustafa Yusuf for, but the problem is still there. Your power management committee and chair, and just like Adikoka, ni power chair our committee, or a member of the ESCO of the Ghana Football Association. Some management. No, it's an outdated system. Say, really, you be primum krana koma, ni primia. Look,
Bema odone ahufamo menyama o mine.
And no patriotism komobi. ebra minister and then a pamfuku share Black Queens na me say minister what man repeat is patriotism GFA Congress about under 23 who say patriotism actually Black Queens. How patriotic is the system we are running? Bogani boy na no bo afana all Switzerland oba Black Stars company number bu you know
defender way Isanu
one the third Romano they know about Interlies no ko Celta Vigo Joseph Edu obebu ni na mu no okoye no defie one the third Romano until patriotism in Jabios Panisi Kadie Fatan Fasikan man. It also raises the second question. Whenever there is agitation about Sika in the national teams, they two players, no, perfect. National teams in the Kobo matches Sika Yin ya the So national teams no, the more eco sponsorship. Ni sponsors Sika Ebano, ya the heading saying ye TDC say oh. There's no way a Black Queens and you will be a Daruma, Black Maidens and you will be a Daruma, Black Princess and you will be a Daruma, Ombenya sponsors. Into the sponsorship Ibenya with your senior national team Black Stars. No, 10% been to your kwa here moi. The says Kana Kompoa. Ama other national teams no etimi akonka. Look, the system is too failed because to the be a paper. Stationery the be no. This is FNE provided na chi omu di sika koma aban because national team near aban their system we failed. It's so failed to the point that we need a hybrid system. Look, enye paper no, nipa no de paper ne kono. And the betches can beba and answer emba.
Okay.
Give to only Mustafa you see for me more national service. So I'm not surprised. If you go into lip me ba na tago or you more go into lip. Me feel no be say alali for no we national team ana. And I'm bisa ne say aden. No say into Ghana for no say tu kwan an no na o makotwa ba inside no eya e de bi kwa na. Na mediama for no car say o mo pe track e de afa no ma alali for no de be call hotel na me say no mo de nkwa no mo de ba o mo dwan mo. Nti mediama educase okope 2M express bus van nibi na nka afa echi no so yempe kia ketwa bi kia ketwa na yekonwe na driver na so yare so konyo ene yekonya kia kese rhino nibi nyoma na Jesus Christ
nyoma ni gu kia eyinim no
nti no ade no
mara se wa hu bi wa se omo kobo concert na nyomtuni anyomtufo bo emienu ahyehye omo accoutrement ne equipment omo kobo concert
eba golden tulipo just to come and have an idea what they were doing. Oba na obi sa senti sa dia omode wo we. Awon so omode kobonyum no. Ahana me bie me phone na me yi Liverpool omu tu kwan. Ke sa de na ya omode jerseys gum no. Say o de ahwe
sa cases no.
I know omode jerseys ne equip no mo hye na no omode gum. These guys are far gone. If you know croy me tim kwa biem
e kan mo fa ketwa de anke nkomo embarrass me boa me yes so mo fa ketwa anke nkomo because we dey cry no so aboma
na first na ka but drum na isisi kanum no e ya akokọ ne fish nkwa yeah fish na then your my no me who create dream che say e bia na for luck en krabi wo Grace Baptist School my best excursion wo airport omo ho na airplane land here na yes airplane we na land man kwanwe because the aircraft is huge esuma enti no muzi omuntimi mpake wa
no
na pilot nesi form aswe change ni off send be ombitime yi ni omai amount adbecha nkra ni nyina de nkra na ra Egypt enum
wow
we airport o no mu wie a omo to airplane de ko nti nyame no kwani if next Monday ekono de bia me nko me do yen football na yebo ha no me minus 50 because Moses okotonio mani bi
azo okotobi
okopebi ato
Moses dey obeto
okopebi ato because no look I mean ke
Moses dey obeto
say football no pa na ye no ade a yen sesa airplane no mo chatae almost say the $160,000 I mean, abino must show commitment. Yeah, be Africa now. Sisi kabida baby club bi akwa no akwa access bi. send a GMPC scanner no the sports fund no and e be why be atwa because and then me who dreaming like
na says I no so ko scanner was here nhye egu
oh there be you see
say ntimi first scan ma wa bra on first scan mbo brapa
no you see say with this scanner man na o de be didi a and me say oh kwa amafa o ticket wonka you see
okay
you bet my sad there no because nipa na only the delegate o say karate gold medalist Alali Karat
yeah say omo sports club
or Lebanon na or seminar and their friend say football board members and Koban or yai and no aba ability delegation the omo yen ne yen omo common ne ko echi abaning impeding for ni when you know munim look ye kasika fa man for nsase kogu baby a mburu associate benya $2 million at all every 4 years say running clubs every year more say $500,000 and from Africa for 4 years esan na akwa access fufuro you bet to me must change our priorities nene ehu eni so no
maboto
oh no it's not worth it anymore in kasatente no na adena omusani adena also
ahura na karate na say
no akokwa no kwa don na advance party
omno mudi kan ba e
akokwa no okroma
virus we am come on no yeah
ndino da bia me ka se ye nyi siso na ye nyini no ne ye ka kire en se akwala hu nsa hohora ne mpanimpo ne didi ba ye bo nim no akwala hu nsa hohoro pem mpanimpo ne be yiwa filim ai desi o mo ma be kasa ya mo ju o musika ne ade ade do pa so mo hu mo nsa hohoro to mo ze ye ni ada ho ya ni esika ma fo esika ma encha hu ya ye yo masa line bi ba ga fi o mo nsa hohoro ne ze nkomo ne mpanimpo to nsa didi ba ye nko ne sa mfa ma yen
I think the downfall trajectory of a Black Queens and it started after 2016 demonstration. Players need be started say omo team need be on
ground. Okay, said that was the day most of them decided to leave Black Queens.
Change away so betimi a.
Who nsa no hohora no ye be yiwa frim. But the ma hu no wo alivo no ho no me enhye da nye mwanwa.
Sa
dabi. The Indian experience kakra na me ko hu wo Afcon na se no. Wonim say Egypt for no. Omo team manager no. Say calf bass no de mo ba. Say mo head training na. Omo nkasa wo no mo nam bass no. They are checking so obi wo bass ni mo ni accreditation na. Bass no betu afri ho. Wow. Right inside that. Omo ba be fa mo ho be 5 times. Omo check sa accreditation da ukoma. Esese wo ho uni ho pe. Obesta chairman ye you afri ho. Ghana no mbe bona anchem trofo no ko ho no. Many of the Ghanaian journalists no mo accreditation here pending. Tomantiman right inside. Why the team manager who is a man for working? No, go straight to car for no someone for working. They are not supposed to be there. Or move to car free ho. Make it so the car is out of the premises before say
and
they pay attention to little details. Everything that matters in football more than Niago.
As a Mr. Say you may be an omuyana.
One chuma time and so a cat 5 normal cause of 5 minutes no pay as one 2 minutes I can much as a pakiko because
Ghana and Egypt na me who say I for watch ni bia or to say otimi all the gadgets that been record the BB around.
Okay, wow.
We are into a car cause I'm for recording and it was true.
Wow.
Yes, yeah, watch be never.
Watch the ball on
yeah, serious.
No, I need to be detected gadgets anyway.
No, about baby press ejina no. And or accreditation.
Okay.
Bipu. Until bipu plus 3-4
straight.
Or how the man no call straight no so be recording on truly. Yeah, babas no catch say Ali for and sorry, Egypt for no by na for recording on both.
Wow. Omo ye free ho. E ma ye ko na nim. Bas na gasa na players ntimnya no na omo cover ntimo ya provide another one amom a eno no omo dey omo rounds no omo cop park ne so ntem ko make sure so my bibia to order that to me ban bibia is being laid down on be ejima no omo ko ntiali for no mabo omo no maba
so a standard practice
a standard
clubs here national team here
ntinya afi na ya de for from ye hu ye won say nwanwa because ye hu bi da
yeah
kotoko bas yi koi ase ho na nuane ne bibia gu o so ni go just ni wo ho bibia equipment has bass yi go ya kwose ya zikwa ma amafo ya yi ho na bibia go aduane kra sei ba we hwe de mo de aba ade tenten no wo be ko na blood ni de o ma sia freeze ade no from it to how
akoko le wom
ma bo mo hu mo abeka se we de o mbebo PA system
e so mo di cooks ni e ka ho
no we kind of that hot train omo
and you are prepare
ya mo almost
me the last time na ash gold only no ni be kan Bible no
yeah
me ko he omo buy no omo di no me kwa na me ka kire omo say born ya ka chi me kan for ne buy no you see them and you see that be go for when you abre the way you see your money one is a different from the way you see there no at a point in time show omo din say ya you ask yourself say that be we name is omo a different breed of people I say omo ni Africa habi by be kan so you can see from Ali me yesterday when I was there I was like track Timo buy born the ball track there
but they quite
and track yes na me say okay na yem hwe ne say ne the beer is being brought to Ghana say yemra me adwuma enya afa na bibia be say yekoto bibi yekoyese
and when quite for 48 hours so
one ho e na odi aba 2 days so yem football ne there say e pese yem football ne ya yem hwe ne yenkenken homom ne yenoma yanopa obo somatic for voice no asema na
everyone that keka
so mo ban football no mo famu no it's about time I say fan serious ne football ne ye ho nhyehyeye boy clubs no e ma ne wan to be con kind my because so we had the early for your baby krum ha ya sika no wo ho or more players no
yeah
they can literally go into the Premier League and get a player for themselves.
Yeah.
The last time now Angola club be rejected $300,000.
Yeah, 300,000.
Can we say same for your clubs?
Shadow so am rejected more than that for Abdulaziz, sir.
Okay, then that's fine for them.
Dreams.
That's fine for them. But how many of your clubs?
Yeah, sure was here the new Europe and then the part of Africa. And they are different.
Yeah.
Look, they ain't to be rejected.
Because that's the kind they are nobody.
$300,000.
They won't to be rejected. Petrol's one.
Boy, I think Boy was 200 and something.
Because that's kind of so, but I'm to reject because of no me. Pesita obo Afcon. I'm to also third. We been pay stadium on buying. On be more pro on be dano. I'm a J Medan. He wasn't part of the team because I saw more games, you know. Ma on representation in a one can then or yeah. Ali for na be fana call so more Champions League game there so be sneko. And no more games, you know. Na on squad no because na Ali for doctors naba taking care of him onu kwa obo the ambulance the buyer they are taking good care of him not doing things a restrict no money plan to me akwa anymore. These guys are doing things a bebo amon for no tima akwa anymore ba ye de ne de
akai bebre ye
kakra de ya na statement
akai bebre e community ni na ne say yenjintum say de biedu ne yakechire na obia ne so ne de obeye no emfa yenkodu bebe edu aban FA clubs media supporters because yentimi mfa sika enche bo ni ma supporter betua 10 cities 20 cities nti awasi na ye pagya ye home so na ye die bi pagya
mti Black Queens kana na se kese enkofuma man bi ye fe ni Mr. Sarebodu oye adwuma Sompa dabi wenka sa campaign we won now digina vehemently say to omoka and now we need to say ye mo abaso and why
aka princesses ne de no nti mo aka princesses ne de nti mo beta me chance so ndio mo sika mo why me nua no mo ma no mo hia me pa
because no mo brew so bobo the kind of victimization or bad
exactly
now undiane ka dabi
I want from sika mama nti yada say yeah sorry Shootout Jumedi ana na wasugusu a wutie ye de aba ne wie yakopon ya adom ochina ye nhia